Have you ever tried to speak English, but the words just don't come out smoothly? You know what you want to say, but when you open your mouth, your tongue feels tight and your mind goes blank. Don't worry, you're not alone. Many English learners face the same problem. The truth is, learning grammar and vocabulary is one part of the journey, but training your mouth to move naturally in English is a completely different skill. In this lesson from EduTalks, I'll guide you step by step through a simple but powerful method to help you speak English clearly and confidently using graded readers. These special books can help you build fluency, rhythm, and natural expression without stress or confusion. So stay with me till the end, because what you're about to learn could completely change the way you speak English. Forever. Welcome to this powerful lesson from EduTalks on how to train your mouth to speak English fluently. If you've been studying English for a long time but still feel nervous or stuck when it's time to speak, this lesson is made for you. The real secret to fluency isn't just learning grammar rules or memorizing new words. It's about creating habits that help your mouth, tongue, and brain move comfortably and naturally with English sounds. Think of learning English like learning to dance. You can read about dance steps or watch others move, but you'll never truly dance until your body starts moving in rhythm. In the same way, you can know hundreds of English words, but if your mouth isn't trained to produce them naturally, you'll always hesitate when speaking. When you were a child learning to ride a bicycle, you didn't learn balance from a book. You learned it through movement, repetition, and a few small falls. Speaking English works the same way. Reading, writing, and studying are helpful, but fluency only grows when your mouth gets daily practice. That's where graded readers come in. These are special English books written for learners at different levels. They start simple and gradually increase in difficulty, giving you a clear path to improvement. Graded readers are not just for reading silently. When you read them aloud, they train your mouth, tongue, and breathing to work in harmony. Each sentence becomes a mini speaking exercise. Slowly, your pronunciation becomes clearer, your rhythm becomes smoother, and your confidence starts to rise. So why are graded readers so effective? Because they allow you to practice English in context, real sentences, meaningful stories, and everyday language. Instead of learning random vocabulary lists, you see how words work together in real communication. Over time, your brain and mouth begin to recognize patterns automatically. Let's imagine this. You know the word comfortable, but when you try to say it, your tongue feels awkward. You pause, hesitate, and lose confidence. That's not because you don't know English. It's because your mouth hasn't practiced that movement enough. Fluency is a physical skill. Just like athletes stretch their muscles, English speakers must stretch their speaking muscles.
Every language uses the mouth differently. Maybe your native language uses flat tones or softer sounds, while English needs more movement, breath, and mouth opening. That's why you might understand English perfectly, but still struggle to speak it smoothly. The solution is daily mouth training. Here's how you can begin. Spend a few minutes each day doing small, focused exercises that connect sound, motion, and confidence. Start with short, clear sentences from a graded reader. Read them slowly. Feel how your lips, tongue, and teeth move. Repeat them several times. Don't rush. You're building muscle memory, and that takes time, just like learning to play an instrument. And remember, fluency isn't about speed. It's about clarity and comfort. The more familiar your mouth becomes with English sounds, the easier it will be to express yourself. Over time, you'll notice that your mouth reacts automatically, just like your hand knows how to write your name without thinking. Now, let's dive deeper into how to use graded readers effectively. These books are written for learners at all levels, from A1 beginners to B2 and beyond. The language is simple, the grammar is clear, and the stories are engaging. They're called graded because each level is slightly more advanced than the previous one, allowing you to grow naturally without feeling overwhelmed. To choose the right one, pick a book that feels comfortable, something you understand about 90% of. This balance keeps you challenged, but not frustrated. As you read, speak every line aloud. Focus on pronunciation, rhythm, and tone. You can even record yourself and listen back later. Every word you read aloud helps build mouth memory. The more you repeat, the more automatic English will feel. Try this small experiment. Read a short story aloud 3 times. The first time, you'll focus on meaning. The second time, on pronunciation. The third time, you'll notice how smoothly the words come out. That's the magic of repetition. It transforms effort into fluency. In this part of the lesson, think of your mouth as a musical instrument. You're learning to control sound, pitch, and flow. Every day you practice, your English rhythm becomes more natural. So, keep reading aloud, keep repeating sentences, and don't worry about making mistakes. Mistakes are proof that you're moving forward. Practice daily, be patient, and let your mouth adapt to English, one sound at a time.
Now, let's make your English fluency training even more practical. I'll share some easy but powerful exercises that you can do every day with your graded readers. These drills will help you warm up your mouth, strengthen your pronunciation, and make your English flow naturally. 1. The 5-minute warm-up. Start each morning with a quick session. Open your graded reader and read a short passage aloud for 5 minutes. Focus on your mouth movements. Open your lips wide, stretch your tongue, exaggerate your sounds. You're not just reading. You're waking up your speaking muscles. 2. The shadowing technique. Find the audiobook version of your graded reader or any simple English audio clip. Play a few lines, and as you listen, repeat the words at the same time as the speaker. Match their tone, rhythm, and emotion. It feels difficult at first, but it's one of the fastest ways to build natural fluency because it trains your ear and mouth together. Third phrase, repetition drill. Choose 5 useful daily phrases from your graded reader. Things like, "What do you think?" or "That sounds great." Repeat each phrase 10 times, changing your speed and emotion each time. This helps you sound natural in different situations. When your mouth repeats these phrases often, they become automatic, and you'll use them confidently in real conversations. 4. Retelling practice. After reading a short story or a chapter, close the book and retell it in your own words. Don't worry about mistakes. The goal isn't perfection, it's flow. Keep speaking without pausing too long. This exercise connects your memory, mouth, and imagination, and it's a great way to build confidence in storytelling and conversation. 5. Record and review. Once or twice a week, record yourself reading a passage from your graded reader. Then listen carefully. Ask yourself, do I sound clear? Am I rushing? Do I sound flat or expressive? You'll begin to notice small improvements each time, and that awareness will push you forward. These exercises may seem simple, but if you do them regularly, your speaking will change faster than you think. Remember, fluency grows with repetition, not complexity. Now let's talk about staying motivated. Learning a language can feel long, but small daily victories make a big difference. Set micro goals, for example, finishing one graded reader each month. Celebrate small achievements. Each book you finish adds another layer of confidence. Use your environment, too. Label everyday items in English. Mirror, chair, cup. Each time you see them, say the words out loud. This keeps your mouth active even when you're not studying. And here's something very important. Don't fear mistakes. Fluency isn't about perfect grammar. It's about expressing yourself clearly and confidently. People will understand you even with small errors. What matters most is your willingness to speak. Mix listening and speaking. Listen to English podcasts or short stories while walking, cleaning, or cooking. Repeat the phrases you like. This trains your ear and your mouth at the same time. Remember this golden rule. Fluency is built daily, not instantly. If you train your mouth with graded readers even 15 minutes a day, you'll see big progress in 3 to 6 months. The more consistent you are, the faster your brain and mouth will work together. Now, think about what's really happening when you train your mouth. You're not just repeating words. You're creating muscle memory for language. Every sentence you speak builds a pattern inside your mind. Over time, English starts to feel like your natural voice. So, commit to this simple routine. Read aloud daily. Repeat phrases. Listen and shadow. Retell stories. And record your progress. Combine that with graded readers, and you'll notice real transformation. Every page you read, every phrase you repeat, and every sentence you speak is a step toward confident, clear communication. Your journey doesn't need to be perfect. It just needs to be consistent. Keep going. Trust the process. With daily practice, your mouth will learn English naturally, and your voice will grow stronger every day.
Graded readers are your secret training tool. Simple, effective, and created to help learners like you build real fluency. By reading aloud, shadowing, repeating short sentences, and retelling stories in your own words, you're not just studying English, you're programming your mouth to speak naturally. Imagine 6 months from now. You open your mouth and English flows smoothly, confidently, and effortlessly. No pauses, no fear, just clear communication. That transformation begins the moment you start consistent practice. If this lesson helped you, give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend who also wants to speak English confidently. And don't forget to subscribe to EduTalks for more practical lessons on how to train your mouth to speak English fluently, step by step. Your journey to confidence starts now. One page, one sound, one day at a time.